Hello everyone, welcome back. So here we are going to discuss the question number 3 which I gave you to attempt in the previous video. Welcome to LRDA Prep. My name is Samir Sardana. I'm teaching live on Unacademy Plus. This is my referral code for Unacademy Plus subscription that you can use to subscribe to Unacademy Plus, and you'll be able to attend all of my live sessions on Unacademy Plus. Now let's go to question number 3 of the case slide. I hope you got the complete instruction part. Straight away I'm taking you to the question, right? Watch video 1 and watch video number 2 before you watch this video. Question number 3 says that Venkat earned a 38.75% return on average during the year, then which of the following statement would necessarily be true? So we have 4 statements and we have to cross verify which of the statement is true. Again, not a way to solve the question with equation approach. You will get stuck, right? We'll never get to know कि question को solve करना कैसे है. And instead, if you follow the approach that I have just discussed with you, if you try to understand that approach, that makes the solution of the question very simple. So what we have 4 companies, right? Same story, A, B, C, D. 20% return is coming from A, 10% return is coming from B, 30% return is coming from C, and 40% return is coming from D. And the company belonging to CMAT or IT is giving you 100% extra, 2 times of the result. That means 100% extra result. 100% extra means that give you 20% extra return here, right? So if A is that company, that company will give you 20% extra, right? That company will give you 20% extra, right? B is that company, 100% extra return means 10% extra. C, 30% extra. D as 40% extra, right? And if I have a company which if a company belongs to Steel and Auto, that is 1.5 times, that give you a 50% extra return. That give you 50% extra. 50% extra of 50% of 20% would be 10%. 50% of 10% is 5%. We have already done that in the previous question, so I'm straight away writing the values here. I hope you have watched the first 2 videos, right? All right, now, so these are the extra results that we are expecting. Now, without any extra performance, the average return of the Venkat is 20. Add all these value, divide by 4, it would be 100 by 4. 100 by 4 is 25%. Without any extra returns, 25% is the expected return for the Venkat who is investing in all of these stocks. Now Venkat is earning 38.75. He is supposed to get 25, but he is getting 38.75 return. So what is the extra return he is earning? He is earning 13.75 extra multiplied by 4, which is giving you 55% extra return. And now you guys tell me, how is possible to have 50? Why I'm multiplying it by 4? Because there are 4 stocks. Average is getting increased by 13.75, right? So average is getting increased by 13.75 means the total is getting increased by 13.75 into 4, that is 55. Now take one value from this row and one value from this row in such a way the total extra return that you should be getting would be 55. So these 2 rows are extra returns, right? These are the extra returns. तो बच्चों कौन सी वैल्यू आप इस रो में से पिक करोगे? Which value will pick from this row and which value will pick from this row, so that total comes out to be 55. See, and both of the values should not be in the same column, huh? Otherwise same company cannot give you 2 times and 1.5 times return. Either the company will give you twice return or 1.5. Only one is a possible case. You see that 55% extra return is possible only in this case. As you can see, 40% this and 15% this. Any other possible case? 30 plus 20, 50. No, that's not possible. 30, 10, 25. No, there's nothing else possible. For 55% extra, D को double return देना पड़ेगा, मतलब 100% extra return देना पड़ेगा, और C को 1.5 times return देना पड़ेगा. That means 50% extra return देना पड़ेगा. That is the only possible case Venkat can earn 38.75% on an average. Okay, and so D अगर double return दे रहा है, that means D belongs to CMAT and IT, और C अगर 50% extra दे रहा है, that means C belongs to Steel or Auto. Let's see which statement is correct now. Company C belongs to auto steel industry. Company C belongs to auto steel industry. Yes, 38.75% रिटर्न लाने के लिए एक्स्ट्रा 55 चाहिए, तो मेरे को सी कंपनी को 1.5 गुना रिटर्न में लेके जाना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स 50% एक्स्ट्रा. 50% एक्स्ट्रा मीन्स सी विल गिव यू 15% एक्स्ट्रा, और 55 इन दोनों का ही पॉसिबल है. C is giving you 1.5 times extra return. That means C belongs to steel and auto industry. That's a correct statement. And we are looking for true statement. Yes, CA is definitely true. Company D belongs to either steel. No, D तो double return दे रहा है. Double return देगा तो वो CMET IT से belong करेगा. Second statement is wrong. A announced extraordinarily good result. A ने extraordinarily good result नहीं provide किया in case the total is 55%, right? So only D and C are giving you extraordinarily good results. So third is eliminated. B did not announce extraordinarily good result. B ने extraordinarily good result नहीं announce किया. That's a correct statement. क्योंकि extraordinarily good result D और C ने announce किया. So fourth is a correct statement. So the answer is 1 and 4. That is third option. So third option is a correct answer of the question, right? That's a correct answer. See, that question is becoming simple and simple, right? If you follow the logical approach, a common sense based approach. All right, let me give you the question number 4 to try, and the discussion of the question will be happening in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Here is the question number 4 that I want all of you to try. बिल्कुल वैसा ही question है, थोड़ा tricky है, right? Compared to the previous question, it's more tricky one. Try this, right? See that this type of question takes a lot of time if you follow the equation approach, right? एग्जाम में आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चंस करने का मन भी नहीं करेगा कि 4 स्टेटमेंट्स आपको क्रॉस वेरीफाई करनी है. बट क्वेश्चन सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, राइट? एंड कॉन्सेप्ट्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा, आपके बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 बच्चों आप ट्राई करो, एंड आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग द सोल्यूशन ऑफ this particular question in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and you know my referral code for Unacademy Plus subscription. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with all of your friends. That will really encourage me to put more and more videos. LRDI SMEER is my referral code, and you can attend all of my live sessions for quant, logical reasoning and data interpretation for all MBA entrance exam on Unacademy Plus. By using this code, you can subscribe to Unacademy Plus. This will give you a 10% off. Thank you.